A lot of employees that we represent throughout the year are employees that have been fired. There's still sort of a smaller subset of employees that we get that quit their job. And they wonder what effect quitting their job in California has on any claims they may or may not have. For employees that feel like they've been subjected to wage violations, what effect does quitting your job have on your claim? Not much. Any rights that you had as an employee that was terminated versus one that was quit, they're all pretty much going to survive. So if you have a wage claim of some kind, an underpayment of overtime, unpaid wages, meal rest breaks, whether you quit or you get fired for any reason, you're always going to be able to assert your claims. If you're an employee that quits and you've been subject to what you believe is unlawful conduct, discrimination, harassment, and retaliation, and you quit, that can be a harder question as to whether or not the courts are going to allow you to proceed in court under a theory that in California we call constructive discharge. And without getting too legal about it, constructive discharge is that the court will say and let the jury decide whether a person in your setting had no other choice but to quit, that a reasonable person in your situation had to quit or be facing additional discrimination, harassment, and retaliation. Now, before anybody quits, as to what rights they have under California law, I think it's extremely important that you talk to an attorney. That if you're trying to make a decision as to whether or not you quit, please don't make that decision based off a video that you listen to on the internet, even this video. It's really, really important that before you quit your job in California because of retaliation, discrimination, or retaliation, or harassment, that you talk to somebody. Whether that's my firm or some other firm, it's important that I think that you talk to an attorney. If you have questions and you think our firm can help you answer those questions, please reach out to us. We're more than happy to discuss what options you may have as a current employee. Thanks, and we look forward to talking to you.